This is the Herbify 8-in-1 High American Quality Lymphatic Support Tincture. And the brand sent this to me so that way I can do a review. This has an amazing lineup from Herbify in here. The complex, herbal complex in here is European elderberry extract, echinacea root extract, there's cleavers, calendula flower, dandelion root, burdock root, rosehip extract. Also, there's some blue vervain extract in here as well. And I really enjoy the herbal lineup in this one because of the fact that the herbs, particularly in this lineup, are historically known to support our bodies in regards to, the cleansing, and lymphatic support of our bodies. And so this would be, in my opinion, a really good supplement. This Herbify blend in particular has the blue vervain, and I don't typically see that a lot in the blends like this. So that's a good addition to have in this one. Serving size is 2 droppers full, and typically what I'll do is I will put it. Ooh, my tea is hot. Okay. So I already put that one in there, but I typically will put 2 droppers full in my tea. And then drink it. So I have been taking this as the brand did send this to me to do a review, and it is a vegetable glycerin base, and there is no added additional flavor to it, so it doesn't change the taste of my tea.